Dancing Dragonfly, Day 1. So first begin by spreading the fabric. We're doing this to get any twists and folds out of it. Then bring it over your shoulders, your forefingers inside, your thumbs are outside. Stretch your arms out wide and walk forward. Once you have that tension in the fabric, walk back. Stop underneath the plumb line, that's the attachment point. Once there, spread your arms out and then bring them down and under like chicken wings. Make sure that your shoulders are inside and your elbows are inside the fabric. Look down and then engage your core, lifting your legs up, roll into the fabric and cover your feet. Once there, you're going to use one of your hands to flip you over to the other side. So you're going to be laying on your stomach. The fabric will be over your chest. Spread your arms out wide and make your dragonfly wings. Have fun with the pose and fly around a little bit. To come out of dragonfly pose, you simply turn back over using your arm, bringing the fabric around your shoulders. A fun way to get out of this pose is to do a little flip. So to do that, bring the fabric behind the shoulders. Make sure there's not too much fabric. Hold the sides of your hammock, bend your knees into your chest, tucking, and start to roll over, engaging your core.